Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. Today I have a special guest with me, our youngest daughter, Kennedy. So if you don't know, GSG offers a premium and a eco mask for adults. We just came out with the youth version. Here's the adult, here's the youth. So today we're going to decorate a couple masks for Kennedy, her friends, and some of our nieces and nephews. Alright, now that our design is printed using the Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, we are ready to get you some masks for school. So the other things that you need, I use our DigiCat thermo tape just to make sure it stays in place. And then we need some craft paper that my lovely assistant here is holding for me. Some other things that you might use, my hands aren't really heat sensitive, but if they are, you want to make sure you have a heat protectant glove on or an oven mitt. Alright, you ready to help me press?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, so sis, the first thing we want to do is you want to put your mask to just what Mom does, okay? So we're going to center it in, make sure it's all the way covered. Once you have it centered, make sure that, nothing around the sides. So we're going to tape that thermo tape I just talked about. Tape down the edges just to make sure it stays straight. This really matters a lot if we had her name in the center or a logo or something like that, like if their school logo is requiring something. Anything like that. That's good, sis. We'll get it in a minute. Alright, put that side down. You nailed it. Alright, first thing, I need my craft paper. I'll lay that on the press just so there's not any bleed from the overages on the print. And I'm going to get these masks and you lay them down. You always want to make sure that your substrate is on the bottom and the dye sublimation paper is on top. I know it's obviously easier to do it the other way around, but if you really want that vibrant color, you definitely want to make sure that that paper is direct contact with the press, not underneath the substrate. And if you want, you can lay a craft paper down, or I'm going to put a Teflon sheet down. All right, and we are ready to press at 400 degrees for 45 seconds. I'm excited to see how these turned out. All right, so after you take the tape off, you want to just pull it off in one quick swoop. How cool that turned out. I think these turned out pretty great. And you know what, with everything going on right now, I think having a stylish face mask is definitely needed. The great thing about our eco and premium face masks is they are adjustable. So whether you're in kindergarten, through my size, you always find different ear holes to fit your face. Thank you, Kennedy, so much for joining me today. We're actually gonna make another video later on where we are going to have a shirt that matches her face mask. So whether we are going back to school or she's at home with me, she's gonna look stylish on her first day of 3rd grade. So we're gonna use the Epson F570 dye sub printer with Caesar white glitter. So stay tuned for that.